slow. Okay. Okay. Let me open my enough. And I'm totally clear. I mean, since we last did analysis on in Monday, we hadn't again made. And I always like taking you, my fellow brothers. So let's look at the Xauuusd. This is gold, and this is the analysis I gave to my brothers, the VIP, and hopefully it has delivered well. It has delivered well and perfectly. So there is nothing to complain about. My young brothers who are in that group or in the analysis group. Okay? Those ones who are in the analysis group, you're reaping. You're reaping what you sow. And time to come, the analysis will be for members only, those ones who are in the VIPs. Time to come, the analysis will be those ones who will be in the VIP. I think that's what we are going to do. So that we can make people wake up, because most of them are asleep. Okay? Most people are asleep. And yet they have to wake up. Understand? That's it. Am I audible enough? Try to give me a feedback, my brothers, if I'm clear. We go. Gisaimo wagamba otya? Nsuubira oli steady. And if I share the link here, these other people, kabi kyakabi. It's good. It's good. Okay. I think let's proceed. Let's proceed. Let me launch TikTok for our fellow brothers who are on TikTok. Hey, members, let's be focused and let's be goal driven. Okay? Let's be goal driven. At times we couldn't do some other things we should do, but our goals in life, they really, really terrorize us. If you think and if you to be looking at this time frame, if you to be looking at this time frame, there is nothing completely that will support my goal. What my goal buys for now. Understand? Let me first multiply my time frames. I first see how my time frames are. But always be steady, because gold always delivers when we are always asleep, and that's why I always make sure I share these signals to the VIP group when it's not too late. Those guys benefited. Let's look at GBP USD as Mr. Simon is okay. Mr. Simon wants GBP USD. So, okay, my brothers, and even the rest, put in your prayers. You want me to analyze for you? We are gonna analyze. Yeah. Perfect time to go live. Okay. He wants GBP USD. It's okay. Let's first take a scope at a GBP USD discover Uganda. GBP USD, my analysis was my, I think this was my VIP analysis. Yeah, on the analysis, gonna order our VIP. If I'm giving the analysis, now this was my analysis. GBP is in sales. GBP USD. By the time I discovered, all by the time I shared this analysis, I had showed them that this was accurate. I had to wait and I had to do what? I had to wait. Okay, 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 my brother. I had to wait. Okay, I'm sorry, I was still explaining. I had to wait up to until when I did what? Up to until when I did actually up to until when it executed to this level. I'm sorry, I was focusing on the other screen which I'm sharing to those ones on TikTok, and as well as focusing on YouTube, because I'm multi streaming. So I'm so sorry, my brothers, and tonyigate munyigira. I'm so sorry, my brothers. Yeah, just forgive me. Understand? You have to just forgive me, your brother. So Onogi Simon, GBP is in what? GBP in sales. Now let's first look at a Euro GBP USD. We are looking at a Euro USD. Dating it. So this was a clear signal, and this was a perfect trade for sales. Why? Okay. I don't know whether my network is somehow this was a buying level. You could just use your head, and it reached this level. It bought. Guess what? After buying, it later broke this level to the downer side. After breaking to the downer side, this is what happened. This is what happened. They liquidated it to the lower level, selling, showed them so. Okay. And previous Euro USD is in sales. I remember to those ones who were with analyzing with level. And there is a day I remember we entered a trade on this. At this level, the market bought within the proximity. The market bought within the proximity. And later it had to sell because its conditions were to sell. Okay? Its conditions were to sell. So Euro USD is in sales. Let's first look at a BTC USD. Let's first look at a BTC USD before. You might ask why it's selling or why it's sold. It's one thing. Here, to those ones who are in the signal group, after it's what? It's liquidation. Going anywhere. So we still have a long way to go. Let's first look at our gold. Now this is gold. This is what has happened. Wow. I was just wondering. I think it's going to first sell. Okay. Gold. Let me first switch to a 5 minutes time on gold. But again, it's signal here. I always fear this move. It's gonna buy, but let's wait because so let's try at least roll. That's done. Looking at its hourly time frame. Okay. Put in your questions in the comment section. We analyze together. Ng'otuuse Uganda ng'ate wakati mu kuddayo waliwo. Let's wait. Let's wait. Honestly, let's wait before we do any other thing. Last time gold did the unbelievable thing. Gold did the unbelievable thing. Yeah. It's time to buy. It's time to buy. I'll tell you to buy. So, members, let's like the live, share the live. Okay. Let's like the live and as well share the live. I think we can. Okay. I think we can enter buys. Okay. That should be your first TP. That should be your first TP. Let's wait. Let's wait. I think the 1 hour is too noisy. 1 minute, I mean. Let me switch to a 5 minutes time frame because the 1 hour, 1 minute is too noisy. I think it's too noisy for some of you. Let's switch to a 5 minutes time frame. Okay. 1 minute is too noisy. So let's do so. And as let's like the live. So let's move slowly, slowly. Maintain a proper risk management. Okay. Always maintain a proper risk management. Understand? Let's like the live members. Let's like the live. Okay. Raise, maintain a proper risk management when you're executing. Okay. Maintain a proper risk management when executing. Gold might be tricky at times. You have to just be resilient when executing on gold. Abigail Timaya, thank you for joining. And, that's it. So use proper risk management when executing trades. Okay. Risk management is key and a proper one. So don't just play around with gold. Okay. Risk what you can afford to lose, and if you risk when you're not holding for a long time, like for a long period of time. Oba nti oli kuyingira akatale ka scalpingeko ne ka lot size akamala, oba nti osobola okuguma. Thank me later. It has to pay what it took yesterday. Okay. Derek, thank you for joining. Yeah, man. Everyone, thank you for joining and thank you for. Let's like the live members, Perfectionist, Davazi, the great. Perfectionist, how are you? Okay, cheers to those ones who are live, and my brother AUXFX, the ones on YouTube. It's growing slowly, but keep it in mind, risk management is always key. Okay? It's always key. Let's hold and we'll see whether it's gonna reach our level. Let's hold and see whether gold will reach our level. Gatti, thanks for joining. The rest. Okay. And the rest. But let's try to like the like. Okay. Let us like. I see Fenda has joined. Fendi, thank you for joining. It's solved. Let's go now. Then gold is experiencing a very serious technical difficulty. This let's wait and all we see whether we are going to overcome it. Let's look at a GBP USD. This is GBP. This is BTC, and it has also started its rallying move because remember it had over devalued yesterday. This was the analysis I did, and I was expecting buys within this level and still to buys on Euro USD and buys on Euro USD. Let's first look at the DXY because I think you can see why those ones were available. They were against other pairs. We are to be trading the DXY against other pairs. So that's it. That's it. Let's first look at XAUS. And you can see bid is highly on the DXY. Okay, is on the DXY. Gridaiho Daniel, thank you for joining. Brace Uzina Alibara Nicolas, thank you for joining members. Okay. Thanks for joining, comrades. So the moment we overcome this hurdle, then we are good to go. Actually, someone can also add his all our buys. They're already booming trend, but for now, let's fast forward. Let's go. Let's go. Allusions ogamba otya papa? Olabiseeke mu bitundu by'eno better correction. Arwayo my brother. Yeah. Let's like the live, share the live. Lungi. Welcome aboard the platform. My TP1 was it, so you're targeting, let's target another level. As my know, the moment my TP1 is it, I always close the live stream, so just waiting for 1 hour to click. Yes, Ogambotia Yons listed the blazer. Jagabi. And so we don't cause gold as of the current analysis. Yeah, atandise obikola. We atandise kati obikola. Kati after that I think send me some money. Send me some money. Nsindikirayo ku ssente. Goludi ndowooza omulaba atandise obikola nga abantu bamaze okuba tipi. Amayenje. That's gold. That's gold. I don't know what it was. That's gold. You can wait as well. Yeah. You can as well wait. Okay, my brother. Yes, brother Dimia, you're from Sri Lanka. Thank you for joining the platform. Yeah. How is the going? How is the going? We are here trying to execute on gold. Our first TP was it, so we are just waiting for another opportunity to see whether we can still harvest something from the market. But right now, if you're seeing and if you look at this red line I marked, let me transform it to green because what I'm seeing, it's acting as a very serious support for the market, the upper side. However much gold is too indecisive, we tried at least to grab something on gold and as well that very level. Green line. Green line. To those ones who are joining on TikTok, Chakabi. Those ones on YouTube. Let's push. Let's look at USD I didn't see JPY is too decisive. How much? It has a lot of selling pressure. It has a lot of selling pressure. USD But before we accept, continue, just look at the DXY. Just look at the DXY. You see, now the reason as why it's selling the other side, it's buying here. It has changed its course. It has changed its movement course. The DXY. That's what, and it's supposed even to sell because this level, I mark this level when it was a very, very strong level for gold. Gold is just US economy. For now, it will happen at that level. Because the market has again retraced to that level. Yeah, that's it. Let's wait and see. Yugi Times Media. Ogamba otya ssebo obwedda nkulabaawo naye nga ne ngamba kansooke mmuleke. Gamba otya muganda? You have to keep pushing my brother. Naye nga ki ekiriwo? Alcyons. Kyakabiwo ndikiriya. Obanga ondaba wano ng'omanya ndi okay, ndi gumite. Nanja Gideon. Naffe tuli wano eno ka Forex kaffe mpola mpola. Tuli wano okuyire batuyiri basewo mukama wange. workers. Hmm. Actually, swimi yange bagiggalawo. Ah, ah. Weebale kujja maanyi kyakabi nnyo 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 nnyo. The selling, like actually, its buying pressure is too high. Continue buying. The market reached it a long time ago. But right now, what I'm anticipating, I'm just looking at. I see its pressure. I see its pressure. I think you can see. This is the DXY. So everything we are doing here, I'm referencing with the DXY because I'm expecting or I'm anticipating its serious sales in these areas. So this might give me a boost if I'm buying gold. This might automatically boost my buy trades if I'm on gold buys. And that's why I'm still in for buys. But all along, just know today's trades and today's live stream, it was too hectic because of gold. It was so indecisive. This market we were within these levels, but I think it has stabilized. That's why I think you can see how it's performing at this level. No, that's gold. That's gold. But let's wait and see. But so far, I think this is the third attempt. Almost sales might be confirmed soon. Let's wait. For me, bring you on board. You give us your opinion. Confirmations for sales, serious ones, and this exact low. this is the DXY. Okay, the moment it tries to climb higher, we are waiting for it to retrace at this level. Those ones who are trading USD pairs. Okay, those ones who are trading USD pairs. Then you can put it in your request in the comment section, the pair you want me to analyze for you live here. Thank you. What is your exit point or your first take profit? Not even I think, but technically that level. Okay. Make sure you have a proper risk management. I think right now you can buy GBPUSD. You can buy because it has already liquidated our level. Let me switch to a 1 hour chart. The level has been liquidated. But what's wrong with these TikTok guys? They are saying they are going to cancel my live stream on TikTok. That the problem is with my audio. I'm not active. This is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is in sales. It's going to first sell this level. For more precise these markets, you can see why I'm over considering this. What? Why I'm over considering this? Not we always have live streams on Monday, on Wednesday, last Fridays. Both. Thank you. I always analyze on a 5 combination. 5, 1. I'm just waiting. But OTP1 was hit. I think if this live stream ends, I restart another live stream because it's like I failed. I lie with these guys because I'm active. I'm honestly active. USD card sales. My bot here is in profit $31. USD buy 0.09 lots. Anyway, I'll show you. Show you my MT5. Live stream has ended, maybe. Yes, check microphone. Yes, I think we are back. We are back. We experienced some technical problems previously, and I had to restart again live streaming. Now let's see how we can proceed. Okay. Okay, I think we are back. Max, Ronnie, Bakachi, Ali, I think we are back. Monsonyo, live stream ya TikTok. Badde nsumbuwa. TikTok live stream was a bit tricky, and it was trying to disturb me and disorganize me. I think let's proceed. Let me know if my sound is clear. I think it's okay. I think it's okay. So let's see. Let's first analyze why this all selling modality. Emmanuel. Now, this is what I told my brother. All the DXY, I mean, the dollar isn't buying, but it's going to sell because of its pressure and this pressure below here. Why? This liquidity was just pulling it to the lower side, and it had overbought to this level. We had to deload some of the volume from this level, and that's why you're seeing the market is depreciating. This is the DXY. This is not the currency pair. We are using it to determine other factors. Understand? Now let's look at gold. Just do the opposite. If the quote is selling, it has to sell to buy. And why is it that they are all selling? Of course, this will create. It has started forming. Let's switch to a 1 minute time frame. You can see. But at the end of the day, gold will have to hit lower. Now we are going to confirm sales at this level, as I told you. We shall enter for serious sales. Let's first look at a Euro USD. Euro USD, and it's trying its way to something like 50%. But let's first wait. Let's wait. How are you, my brother? Let's like the live USD card. This is cards. This level, don't buy USD card. Don't buy USD card. This only move isn't enough. Don't buy USD card. Okay? Don't buy USD card. Thank you. Kitegedde temugula USD card. Let's look at AUD card. AUD card is in this buying process. In this buying recession. Looking these levels are not persuasive enough. They can't persuade me. Mankind, how are you, brother? Toby King, how are you, my brother, trading US oil here on the platform? For USD, US oil. Okay, US oil. Let's share the live. Let's like the live members. Yeah. Okay. That's US oil. We're going to look at Nasdaq. Right now, I'm tired. I'm getting tired right now. Nasdaq. This is a buying level on Nasdaq. Strong one. Let's see. Okay. This level was already two. Actually, this is a selling. A break and retest at this level. You're going to experience serious sales. Let's go back to gold. See how gold is performing. This is gold. And this is what I told you. The moment we break below this level, we retest and we get a confirmation within this area. Just know we are selling seriously. But the moment we fail, just know buys are gonna be hotter. The market is gonna buy, nothing before. Just wait. Remember, this is a Wednesday. So, in a ringa final turn, your punishments. Understand? A ringa final turn, your punishments. Because remember, on Thursday, tetugenda kubeera nnyo na vibe. We are preparing for NFP this Friday. Okay? Tomorrow, akatale tekabeere mu nnyo maanyi. Understand? So, that's it. That's gold. That's gold. That's how it moves.